Hello mathematicians, welcome to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will be working in the daily rectangle, making withdrawals from our base 10 bank. You will need your whiteboard, marker, and eraser. If you don't have these materials, a piece of paper and a pencil will work just fine. You can pause the video now to get what you need. Each time we've been going to our base 10 bank this month, we've been taking base 10 pieces out of our checking account. Let's see how much we will withdraw from our base 10 bank today. Remember, we use our number cards to decide how many 10s and how many 1s we'll take away. Let's see first how many 10s with our cards 1 through 3 we'll take today. We will take 2 10s. Let's see how many 1s we'll take with our cards 4 through 9. We will take 5 1s. What's our number all together? If you're thinking 25, that's correct. Let's jump into our base 10 bank and make our withdrawal. We'll see if we need to decompose or take apart any of our pieces before we withdraw today. Now remember, last time we were in our base 10 bank, we had 4 base 10 pieces left. Now today, I need to take away 25 more base 10 pieces. So my equation says 4 minus 25. Show a connection if something seems a little funny about our equation. Yeah, no, it says I need to take 25 pieces away. But if I only have 4 pieces, can I take 25 more? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I should see a thumbs down. I can't take 25 away because they aren't there. They're not there for me to take away. So what do you think I could do to solve my problem? Any ideas? No, show a connection if you're noticing our savings account. Yeah, we took those pieces away when we started taking out withdrawals from our base 10 bank for a reason. We took them away so that we had them if we needed them later. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some of the rectangles or the base 10 pieces out of our savings account and put it into our checking account. People do this a lot with their money too. When they need it from their savings account, they put them in their checking account. Now, we don't need to take all of it out because right now we don't need all of the pieces. But we're just going to take out one more hundreds piece because that's what we started with. We'll take another one out. So we'll make a withdrawal from our savings account and we'll put our hundreds into our checking account. Now we have our 57 pieces left in our savings account and 104 pieces in our checking account. Well, that means my equation needs to change. I no longer have 4 pieces in my base 10 bank checking account. How many pieces do I have now? Show a connection if you're counting 104 pieces. I have 104 pieces in my base 10 bank now. Before we solve our equation, what do you think we could do to our hundreds piece to make it easier to solve this equation? Now show a connection if you're thinking about that long word decompose or take apart. we need to take away our hundreds piece. Because if we have one solid hundreds piece, can we take anything away from it? If we don't, break it up? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No, we can't. We have to exchange it or trade it for some tens pieces. So let's turn this hundreds piece into 10 tens pieces. Now it will be easier to solve our equation. Using your whiteboards and markers, use your strategies to solve 104 minus 25. You can draw your pictures with your base 10 pieces, your open number line. Maybe you're going to use our splitting strategy. Whatever works for you, solve this problem now. If you need more time to work on this equation, you can pause the video. Now, I'm going to show you two different ways you may have used to solve this problem. The first thing I'm going to do is draw my base 10 pieces to show you how we can take away 25 from 104. So I will draw my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens for my 100, and 1, 2, 3, 4 more pieces for my ones. Now I know I need to take away 25. What's the first thing I could do? Show a connection if you're thinking about those two tens to take away 20. Well, that's a good place to start. I'm going to cross out two tens. Now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. Well, I still need to take 5 more away. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Do I have 5 ones to take away? Thumbs down. I don't. I only have 4. What can I do to get more ones? Oh, you might be thinking about decompose again. I need to decompose or take apart another 10 and turn it into 10 ones. I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to move it over into my ones. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more ones. Can I take my 5 away now? I sure can. I have more than enough. I'm going to circle 5 ones, cross them out, and count what I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Show a connection if you also got 79. That's good thinking. Let's look at a different way you may have solved this problem. You may have been thinking more about your splitting strategy. I'll write our equation again and solve it in a different way. Now, when we think about 104 minus 25, we can think first about our hundreds and tens. We know 10 tens is really 100. And 2 tens is really 20. When we have 100 and we take away 20, we're left with 80. But I still have my 4 ones on top, so I want to make sure I know I still have 84 left. I still want to take away my 5 ones. So 84 minus 5 equals 79. I have the same answer of 79. There are many other ways to solve this problem too. Before we go, we're going to make sure we take away the correct amount of pieces to have an accurate amount of base 10 pieces in our base 10 bank. So we know we need 79 left. We have 10 tens here. I know I need to take away 2 of my 10s, just like in my 25. And I also know I need to take 1 of my 10s and decompose it to show 10 ones. Now I have my 14 ones, and I need to take away 5 of them for my 25. Now I'm left with my 7 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Your job is to tell your teacher how much is left in our base 10 bank today. Good work, mathematicians. I'll see you next time for Number Corner.